This is a train at Silverwood Theme Park in Athol, Idaho, and this train is for this ride is for both adults and children. So it is kind of small. I mean, I can honestly barely fit in there. If there's a height limit, I certainly don't know what it is. I'm certainly not too tall because I was allowed to go on it. Listen for the whistle. Let's listen for the whistle. Okay. So, Silverwood Theme Park opened in 1915. Oh, yep, let's let all these children on. Oh, it looks like we got a girl that's sitting by herself with no one to enjoy the ride with. And yeah. So I'm gonna have to hold the camera by my chest because this ride goes fast and it'll fly right out of my hands if I just use one hand like I normally do. So let's listen for that whistle. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we got going nice and slow right there. That's lap 1. It's kind of like a Mario Kart race. Woo! Yeah! Let's enjoy this train ride! Woo! Woo-hoo! Here comes lap 2! So for those of you guys who don't know, I rode this train for the first time when I was 3 years old. I actually said that as we were on lap 3. But yeah, this park opened in 1915. This property was bought in 1950, but it didn't become a theme park until 1988. Because here's lap 5. I guess the person who bought this may have, I don't know. He bought about 228 acres of land, I heard. 6. And then there's a water park here, 5 roller coasters. One actually opened this year, and I guess over 70 different rides, thrills and attractions. There's a magic show, and now it's time to get off the train. Okay, guys, so that was a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe.